This model has changeable input, and you have the possibility to change from an input for refundables to an open input and vice versa. And I will now demonstrate how to change it. When demounting the input, start with open the front door and then loosen the nuts on the four corners. There is both a steel plate on the back and on the front, which you take off, and then you're ready to mount the open input. Mounting the open inputs can be done in a few simple steps. Start with open the front door, then add the input into the pre-drilled holes, and then add the nuts in each corner. And now you have changed from a refundable to an open input.